Okay, my math lab 1 and 2 both give examples or ask the question, is the given sentence a statement? One of them is, one of them isn't. And I added at the bottom here, note, a statement is a sentence that is either true or false, but not at the same time. Sentences that are commands, questions, or opinions are not statements and cannot be labeled as true or false. So on number 1, it says, Mom warned Keith not to touch the stove. Okay, it's either true that she did that or it's false that she did that. It's one or the other. So is this given sentence a statement? Yes. But on number 2, hold this for me. That's kind of like a command. It's like somebody shoving their beer in your face and go, hold this for me, hold my beer. So that is not a statement. Sorry, I've never experienced that. Yeah. All right. So that's number 1 and 2 about that. Next. Examine the statement to identify which connectives are being used. Okay, if you want to rent this apartment, you must be at least 21 years old. Okay, I already see the if and the then. There's actually a then right there. They left the word out, but it's there. If then. If you want to rent this apartment, then you must be at least blah, 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 blah. So I'm definitely seeing the if then. So I'd bubble on that one. And then do I see, I'm trying to remember what colors I used. I used green for an and. If you want to rent this apartment, you must be at least 21 years old and, so there's an and, so click on that one. Have no dog, cat, or, I think it was pink I used for or other pets. So there's an or. The word must, that's not even a connective. And I never saw an if and only if, and because I've bubbled on those 3, I'm definitely not going to be bubbling on that one. So that's number 9. And 11, identify the statement as simple or compound. If the statement is compound, identify the connectives used. Rupert and Chris will stay at home all week. I see the word and in there, and it is connecting 2 different people. So that is a compound, and the only connective that I see is the word and. All right.